Yo guys, yo, this hair to get curly, ha! This one, this is gonna be the one. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time to see my face, my name is Thandi. On this channel, all things lifestyle, hair, beauty and inspiration. So today I'm coming back to you with another hair video. So my hair is a super 4C slash 4D. It is coily, it is soft, but I've never been able to get it into curls, and that is the purpose of this video. Today I decided to go ahead and give these methods a try that I've been seeing all around the internet. So let's see if I manage to achieve it, guys. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a nice thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bar so you don't miss out any videos that I upload, and of course leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what type of textured hair you have, and if you've ever managed to get it curly, or if you have naturally curly hair, what do you use? Maybe I could try use that next time. And enjoy the video, guys. Okay, so guys, my hair is super textured and my hair has layers. So when I say layers, I mean that when it grows, it doesn't necessarily grow immediately in length, it grows in layers, so it gets fuller and fuller. That is what I'm realizing as I am on this hair growth journey. My hair is growing in layers, but of course it's growing in length as well, but mostly in layers and in texture. So that means I need to always have a lot of moisture, and the best way to do that is always to have a bottle of water with some essential oils, your peppermint, tea tree, and any oil, hair oil of your choice. Okay, so we're gonna start off with water. We're gonna spray the hair with water. Oh, I'm gonna need to put a towel here because now, hey. Yo guys, yo, this hair to get curly, ha! This one, this is gonna be the one. Okay guys, so I am done with the curling of the hair or twisting of the hair. It took me about 40 minutes, so I'm gonna let it sleep overnight and then unravel it tomorrow and see how the curls came out. Hopefully we have good results, so stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back, and today is the next day after the twist, so I will now unravel and see if the curls did actually come out, crossing fingers. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove my bonnet, and this is what the hair is looking like right now. That's the back of the hair. It's curly, but curly all over the place. It's curly but curly all over the place. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some water, of course. Just some moisture. Of course, moisture is always key for my hair or for my type hair. So if you got 4C or 4D hair, you would know this. You would know the importance of water and how water is your best friend, and how water should always be a part of your everyday regime, as in every day. Like, you shouldn't skip a day. Came out curly? I think it did. Only because my hair is super coily. I guess it didn't, the curls just went in their own direction. But I mean, yeah, like, there's definitely curl here. I mean, we definitely got some curls. We got something. So I'll just finish it off with an afro comb. And honestly, I think my hair is true to its texture, because my hair is fine and it's very coily. So to get, you know, those curls, those kind of wavy curls, I don't know if there's a product maybe out there that I could try that could do that. But my hair is true. It's very true. It's very true to its texture. So you can see, even after, let me just try and see if I can zoom in, even after I really went really deep into the curling session, I'm still left with coils. That's what I'm left with. Let's just say I don't have curls as such, I've got coils. That's what I'm left with, or left to work with. Yeah. The shine as well, I'm really loving it. And this is all because of the last mask treatment I did for my hair, which was the banana treatment. So if your hair is sort of dry and needs life, basically, if your split ends are dry, you can go ahead and try the banana hair mask for your hair, and I'll leave a link down below so you can check that out and give it a try. Because yeah, I'm definitely noticing immense or intense difference with my hair as per the last treatment.
Ice cream is our favorite color.